Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. In my previous video, I talked about the importance of getting a full panel wellness lab at least once a year. We see a lot of patients that comes in and say, hey, I just had a physical with my primary care and I did all the labs and I just want to get started on the treatment. So I'm going to discuss about the difference between the labs that is done at your physical by your primary care and the labs that a wellness doctor will order before they start you on any type of wellness treatment, and the labs that we use here at MyFitMed. At your yearly physical, what they'll order is your cholesterol, your liver, kidney, your A1C, diabetes, and maybe thyroid. This is the basic lab that you get at the primary care physical. Also, what we do is we check all those basic stuff that you get your yearly physical, plus we also check your hormones, your vitamins, your inflammatory markers, and your detailed thyroid. This lab gives you an overall picture of your health and the way you are feeling. If you're suffering from the symptoms like fatigue and all those stuff, this is the type of lab will help you identify the problems that you can fix. So make sure you talk to a wellness provider to get a full panel wellness lab done. And understand it's not the same thing as your primary care physical labs. If you have any questions, subscribe for more videos.